Good morning. I hope you find well. So, today we have a new grammar lesson. But before that, let me share my screen. I think now you can share my screen. Okay. So, today we have a new grammar lesson talking about the pronouns with and as, appositive, after than, and as. So here, I think that's a complicated title. Okay, so let's start immediately in the examples. Okay, so firstly, let me annotate. Yes, here we are. So here, the next example, or the first example here, he said, the representatives, Sherlin and he attending the meeting. So, as we said before, every pronoun every pronoun before the verb is nominative, is subject. So now, where is the verb now? The verb is attendant. Exactly. So just a minute. Attendant is the verb. So everything before the verb is subject. So he. We should or we have to use he. Okay. Why he, not him? Because I introduced the representatives. Representatives are subject, shall, and he. Okay. Next example. The only other people, there were teachers. The only other people there were teachers. So now I introduce the teachers because the teachers, they are the people. He means the people over there. So here the same teachers, Mr. Blaine and she. Mr. Blaine and she. Why she, Mr.? Why she? Because she hears is identification for the people, for the subject, okay? And teachers is the predicate nominative. Predicate nominative, here that's in were teachers. The other people were teachers, okay? So a teacher is subject because the teachers, the same persons of people, the same persons of people. So here, when you tell me that the only other people, who are the people? The same people, teachers. Who are the teacher? Mr. Blaine and she. Got it? So here we have to use she, not her, because she refers to the teachers, and the teacher is the same people here in the subject. Okay, got it? Okay, so let's move to another or the next example. So here he said the audience applauded the stars of the show, Armando and her. So Mr. Now, the audience applauded. Where's the verb again? The verb applauded. The verb applauded. Exactly. Who applauded? The audience. Thank you. Subject, hearers, and the object, sorry, and the predicate or the verb. So applauded whom? So of course the object, Armando and her. Armando and her. Why her? Because object. Because the subject, audience. Subject is audience. Okay, there is no subject again. Audience, subject, applauded, the verb and object after that. So the next example, Aunt Rochelle sent her nieces. So Sunny and me, of course. Me, not I. Why? Because Aunt Rochelle is a subject and the sent is a verb. Of course, Tony and me. Got it now? I think that's coming easy. So the next example now. The warning must have been meant for both groups, them and us, them and us. Why us? Because here, listen, the warning is a subject, must have been meant, okay, for both groups. So here, listen, groups now is object, groups is object. So here, that's in them and us, them and us. Okay, Okay, so here is in the morning must have been mean for both groups, them and us. Okay, so let's move to next examples. Or let's try to answer some questions. For this. For this example, okay, that's in he said now that's in we actors have fun at the drama club rehearsals. So here that's in we actors, of course, you can't start with the beginning of the sentence with object. You cannot say us actors. Us actors, of course not. Of course not. That's in we actors. We actors. He tried to emphasize بيأكد على إن we actors. Okay, so we are the actors. Okay, so here that's the next example. Uncle Rex send the package to Uncle Rex send the package. So here that's in the verb is sent. The verb is sent. Just a minute. The verb is sent now. So Uncle Rex is the person or is the subject. So to us, not we. We can't use we. We cannot use we. Why? Because of course we have the subject, so we cannot use we again. We cannot use we again. Okay. Okay. So here that's in the package to us nephews. Okay. Okay. They are the most important points of the lesson. So let's try to answer. Okay, here's the underline the correct pronoun. Then identify the case by writing nominative or object, okay, in the blank. So the first one here is called Mom offered the tickets. Mom offered the tickets to her friends, Sally and again, Mom offered the tickets. So the verb here is offered. Thank you. Okay, just a minute. The verb is offered. And who did the verb? Mom. So mom is the subject. So we have to use her. Of course, she is subject. And of course, I have subject. So I can't use twice subjects. Okay, I can't use the subject twice. Okay, so here this is mom offered what? Offered tickets to her friends. Who are her friends? Okay, Sally and her. So the first one, Pablo. So two people. Pablo saw two people. Anita and the movies. Pablo, the subject, because he is the person who saw. Pablo saw, so subject now, predicate, people, Anita and me, object, Anita and me. So here, if we follow the rule, subject, object, or subject to predicate object, if we follow the rule here, the same subject and the verb and the object. Okay, so mom here is subject. Okay, offered is the verb. And after that, of course, her is an object. Okay, so here, Pablo, subject. So, verb. And me, of course, is an object. I is subject. Of course, I have subject here. Okay, so number two, we spoke to the artists. We spoke to the artists, Mr. Santiago and we spoke, we subject to the artists. Okay, we subject now. We spoke. So who spoke? We to the artists, Santiago and him, of course, him. So now we is subject, spoke is the verb. Okay, to the artist, Mr. Santiago and him. Okay, we spoke him to him, to Mr. Santiago and him. Okay, so number 3, till the co-captains. Till the co-captains. Now he starts with the verb. Everything after the verb, object. So till, of course, here's till he's talking to one, you. So you till the captains, the co-captains. Okay, Robin and she or her till the captains, Robin and her. Robin and her. I can't use she. I cannot use she. I can't start. I can't ask the subject. Ask the subject. How can? Okay, so who is the person who told? Of course, you is omitted, is removed. Okay, so here listen, who told? You. I can tell you that in she tell the co-captains Robin and she. How come? Okay, you have to, yeah, you have used the same subject? Of course not. So here the till the co-captains Robin and her. Okay, I think now it's a has piece of cake. Her. Because still is the verb. Still is the verb and here is. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson. So once you misunderstand anything, you of course have to text me on SCL or discuss me in the class. Thank you so much.